Today we're going to introduce you to Sailrite's new WorkerB Integrated LED Light. This new light will give you all the light you need to sew without the hassle of positioning a light on your work surface. After installing, all you'll need to do is turn on your WorkerB and you'll have a perfectly placed light for sewing. Now we're going to show you how to install this new light, and all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. So we're going to start by taking off this front cover, and as you'll see, there are two screws that we're going to loosen and let the cover slide up. We're going to take off the front cover. Because the inside of the cover might be a little bit oily, we recommend cleaning it off so that the adhesive has a clean surface to stick to. Now that we have a clean surface, we're going to remove the back of the adhesive, but not stick it on yet. As you can see, there's a U-shaped groove right here. We're going to take that and we're going to place it on this ledge. Without pushing it down yet, we're going to line up the holes like so. Then we're going to press it down to secure the adhesive. Next, we're going to attach the cable clip with the flat side facing down. Then we're going to line that up with the holes, grab our washer and our screw, and put our washer and screw through both the holes. Then we grab our screwdriver and secure it. Now we're going to put the front cover back on, making sure that the cable is exiting out of the corner. Now we're going to tighten our screws back up. Threading the machine is now slightly different. When you get to this point, the thread needs to go behind the pip before being threaded through the needle guide. Now we're going to plug in our power adapter. And then we're going to plug it into the WorkerB. Lastly, we're going to plug in our WorkerB and turn it on. There you go. You have your new Sailrite WorkerB Integrated LED Light. You can get yours at the link in the description below. Make sure to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date on all our latest products.